How to change your Pinterest account into a business account. So this can be useful to get access to certain creator tools for your business. Now all you need to do is load up the Pinterest app and click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. You'll then need to click on the settings wheel in the top right, press account management and select convert to a business account. Now press convert account and then go and enter your business name. You can then type in your business name and press next. If you have a website, you can write it here or press no website yet. Select the category of your business from the list. Now press next again. Select whether you plan on running paid ads on Pinterest. I'm just going to press I'm not sure yet and press next. Now this will take you over to your profile page and you can see now we have the option for Creator Hub. Click on this. And this is where you can go and see more information about your Pinterest profile. You can also click on See More and you'll be able to find a full breakdown of all of your Pinterest analytics. So that's how to change your Pinterest account into a business account.